Did you know that a well-crafted cover letter can increase your chances of getting an interview by up to 10x? That's right, your cover letter is one of the most important factors in determining whether or not you're invited to interview for a job. But with so many applicants out there, how can you make sure your cover letter stands out? The answer is AI, and more specifically, Google Bard, a powerful language model developed by Google AI. Google Bard can help you write a cover letter that is tailored to the specific job you're applying for, highlights your most relevant skills and experience, and demonstrates your passion for the company and the position. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Bard to write a cover letter that will get you noticed. I'll also be sharing some tips on how to make your cover letter stand out from the competition. Here's a quick overview about the 5 topics we'll cover in this video. Understanding the job description. What is Google Bard and how to use it? Prompts for your cover letter with Google Bard. Assembling and editing, proofread and finalize. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills and knowledge to create outstanding cover letters that make a lasting impression. So, let's get started and learn how to write the best cover letter with Google Bard. The first step to writing a great cover letter is to understand the job description thoroughly. Take some time to read the job description carefully and highlight the key requirements and responsibilities. Pay attention to the company's culture and values, as well as the specific skills and experience that they are looking for. The following 4 questions you always have to ask yourself when understanding a job description. What are the key requirements and responsibilities of the job? What kind of work environment is the company looking to create? What are the company's core values? How do my skills and experience match the requirements of the job? What unique value can I offer the company? And now some additional tips for understanding the job description. Read the job description carefully at least twice. Talk to someone who works at the company. Always research the company online. Take your time, be accurate. By taking the time to understand the job description, you can increase your chances of writing a cover letter that will impress hiring managers and get you invited for an interview. And now, we will discuss what Google Bard is and how to use it to write a cover letter. Google Bard is a large language model chatbot developed by Google AI. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. To use Google Bard, simply go to bard.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Then, type in your prompt or question and Google Bard will generate a response. Here are 4 examples of prompts that you can use with Google Bard. Generate a poem about a cat. Write a code snippet to find the largest number in a list. Translate the phrase, "How are you?" from English to French. Write a blog post about the pros and cons of using social media. Google Bard is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. Experiment with different prompts and see what Google Bard can do for you. And now, we will discuss how to use Google Bard to write a cover letter. Google Bard is a powerful language model that can be used to help you write a cover letter in a number of ways. It can help you to brainstorm ideas, generate content, edit and revise your cover letter, and get feedback on your cover letter. We will now provide you with prompts for each of these topics. Topic 1. Brainstorm ideas. Prompt example. Generate a list of 10 key skills and experiences that I have that are relevant to the job I am applying for. This prompt is valuable because it can help you to identify your most relevant skills and experiences, which you can then highlight in your cover letter. This will help you to show the hiring manager that you are a good fit for the job and that you have the skills and experience necessary to be successful. Topic 2. Generate content. Prompt example. Write a cover letter for the position of software engineer at Google based on the following ideas. This prompt is valuable because it can help you to generate a draft of your cover letter that is tailored to the specific job you are applying for. You can then edit and revise the draft as needed to ensure that it is clear, concise, and persuasive. Topic 3. Edit and revise your cover letter. Once you have a draft of your cover letter, you can use Google Bard to edit and revise it. Only copy it into Google Bard and let the magic happen. Prompt example: edit and revise my cover letter for grammar, style, and clarity. This prompt is very valuable because it can help you to identify any areas of your cover letter that need improvement. Getting feedback on your cover letter can be especially helpful if you are new to writing cover letters or if you are not sure how to tailor your cover letter to the specific job you are applying for. Topic 4. Get feedback on your cover letter. Prompt example: give me feedback on my cover letter and suggest areas for improvement. This prompt is valuable because it can help you to identify any areas of your cover letter that need improvement. You can then make these changes before submitting your cover letter to the hiring manager. By using Google Bard, you can write a cover letter that is tailored to the specific job you are applying for and that highlights your most relevant skills and experience. This will give you a better chance of getting noticed by hiring managers and invited for an interview. Now that you know how to use Google Bard to write a cover letter, it's time to get started. Brainstorm some ideas for your cover letter, and then use Google Bard to generate content, edit and revise your cover letter, and get feedback on your cover letter. Once you have used Google Bard to generate content for your cover letter, you need to assemble and edit it. This involves putting the different sections of your cover letter together in a logical order and making sure that it is free of errors and easy to read. Here are some tips for editing your cover letter. Use a simple and easy-to-read font. Use white space to make your cover letter look less cluttered. Use bold and italics to emphasize important information. Proofread your cover letter carefully for any errors in grammar or spelling. By following these tips, you can assemble and edit a cover letter that is professional, polished, and persuasive. Once you have assembled and edited your cover letter, it is important to proofread it carefully for any errors in grammar or spelling. You may also want to ask a friend or family member to review your cover letter and provide feedback. Here are some additional tips for finalizing your cover letter. Save your cover letter as a PDF file. This will ensure that the formatting remains intact when you submit it to the hiring manager. Name your cover letter file in a professional manner. Submit your cover letter according to the company's instructions. Some companies prefer that you submit your cover letter electronically, while others prefer that you mail it. By following these tips, you can ensure that your cover letter is professional, polished, and free of errors. This will increase your chances of getting noticed by hiring managers and invited for an interview. That was all for today. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Google Bard to write a cover letter. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Google Bard to write different types of content.